Today, we're going to talk about gene mutations. Now, we have some assignments throughout gene mutations this week and a summative Google slide activity at the end. So wait around for the end and I will post this as well as the directions, your links, and what you'll be doing for the week. So mutations are changes in the DNA that we've talked about. It affects things like the phenotype, what you can actually see. Two types of mutation include the single gene that affects the chromosome. So one of them is the chromosomal mutations. That happens in meiosis with the sex cell division. So mutations can be caused by several factors: replication, mutagens such as UV rays from the sun and chemicals, those two can cause mutations. Some cancerous drugs use mutagenic properties to kill cancer cells. Mutations can affect the code of proteins, like we talked about the adenine, thymine, guanine, and cytosine. Proteins are key to everything our cells do, and they're both functional and structural. So your end result may or may not affect the organism. Some gene mutations change phenotype, sort of like changing a gene mutation like a premature stop codon. A mutation may change protein shapes or at the active site, and it may change gene regulation. Mutations in body cells do not affect an offspring of an organism. Mutations in sex cells can be harmful or beneficial to the offspring. These are types of gene mutations that result from changes in a single gene. Some types include point mutation. It occurs at the single point of DNA sequence. A point mutation substitutes one nucleotide for another. We've looked at nucleotides and these nitrogen bases and the proteins that it creates. Another mutation is the frame shift. This can cause bigger changes. It can alter the protein and make it unable to perform normal functions. A frame shift mutation inserts or deletes a nucleotide in the DNA sequence. So here you can see where the deleted base, and it's been pre-existing. Chromosomal mutations affect many genes. Chromosomal mutations also occur during the crossing over. They affect genes. The gene duplication results from unequal crossing. We've looked at genes and genetic coding previously. So here on the blue chromosome that has this small bit of green, it can have a very big effect. Translocation results from exchange of DNA segments between non-homologous chromosomes. Here's a normal homologous chromosome of 1 and 17. The translocated is where they swapped positions at 1 and 17. Some gene mutations do not affect the phenotype. They can be silent, and they may not affect a protein folding where the alleles are located. We have linked some gene mutation videos for you as well on your Google Classroom. So, what to do this week? After you have watched the PowerPoint I just showed you, please complete the Google form check on this video. There are 5 questions to complete. They are not worth a grade. They are just so you can see if you need to go back and rewatch the video. Also, You need to complete the USA test prep. That begins on Tuesday, but already has been located for you and uploaded on your Google Classroom. Please read the Newsela article and answer the questions on the Google form, which have been linked in your Google Classroom. Complete the summative Google Slides presentation on your chosen gene mutation. You need to review the directions and the rubric before you begin your Google Slide gene mutation project. All of these things are uploaded right after this video is posted, so you can work as diligently as you would like and complete it before Friday. Have a great week.